Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to revise the topic the kinetic theory can help explain how substance behave. The word kinetic comes from the Greek word kinesis, which means motion. According to kinetic theory, all matter is composed of tiny particles called atoms or molecules. Atom or molecules are in constant state of motion, and molecules or atoms have attractive forces between them, and it is the motion of the particles that create the form of energy called heat, and the motion of the particle is affected by temperature. Okay, first we study the models of solid, liquid and gases. This is the model of a solid. Solids do not show the particles in solids. The particles in solids do not contain a lot of heat energy. Each particles vibrate around its fixed place in the framework. Example is ice. The solids have fixed shape and fixed volume. These are the particles in liquids. The particles in liquids have more heat energy than solids, and the particles are able to move around by rolling over each other. They can even leave their fixed space. The forces of attraction between these particles are less as compared to that in solids. Example is water. These are the particles of gases. The particles in gases have more heat energy as compared to liquids, and the particles they are free to move in any direction. They move randomly. There are very weak forces of attraction between them. They have no fixed volume and fixed shape. Examples are steam, air. Next we will study how the temperature affects the state of matter. If we take a solid and give it heat, its particles will move faster until some break free and become a part of liquid. This process is known as melting. Next is evaporation. If we apply a heat to a liquid, its particles will move faster, and at the surface some particles break free to form a gas above it. This is shown in this diagram. Water is turning into steam, and because heat is making its particles to move faster. Next process is condensing. Condensing happens when heat energy is removed from a gas. When we remove heat energy from a gas, its temperature falls. Gas particles slow down and they come closer together. Eventually they will come close enough to form a liquid. Next process is freezing. During freezing, a liquid cools, its particles slow down and they will start to form a framework which is like that of a solid. During all this change of states, mass of the substance never changes, it remains the same. It is only the behavior of the particles that change. The total mass of the substance never changes, it remains same all the time. Students, next we have to do test yourself. Question number 1. What happens to the movement of particles in a liquid when it is heated? The answer is evaporation. If heat is applied to a liquid, it will start from this and end up to this line. Question number 2. What name is given to the change of state from a liquid to a gas? When a liquid is converted into gas, we call it evaporation. And it is not suitable to give one word answer. I think you should mark the answer from this line up to this line. Sorry, from this evaporation. B. A solid to a liquid. A solid change to a liquid during melting, and you have to mark its answer from this line and end at this line. C. A gas to a liquid.